Hi, my name is Frank Diaz, hairstylist and colorist for L'Oreal Professionnel, and I'm here to talk to you about our newest groundbreaking innovation, Absolut Repair Molecular. Absolut Repair Molecular is a great innovation because now we are able to visibly fight off 2 years of hair damage in just one use, while also repairing the molecular structure of the hair from the inside out. This will allow us to regain the strength, elasticity, and bounce of our hair. We created a 3-step protocol, just like in any skincare regimen. It's very easy to use. First step, we're gonna cleanse with Absolut Repair Molecular Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free, gentle cleanser, and it's also going to nourish and strengthen the hair simultaneously. Our second step is the hair rinse-off serum. This will provide 3 times the strength in your hair. It's also going to repair the hair from the inside out. What I would recommend is taking 2 to 3 pumps into the palms of your hand and layering this on wet hair on the lengths and ends. You can layer on any of our Serie Expert moisturizing masks or conditioners. Our third and final step is our leave-in. This leave-in will provide protection with heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It will also have complete frizz control. You will also simultaneously strengthen and nourish the hair. You want to take about 2 to 3 pumps into the palms of your hands, and you want to apply this on the lengths and ends. As a hairstylist and colorist, one of my biggest concerns is hair damage, but now I have a solution to that, and this is why I recommend Absolut Repair Molecular. This is for sure a product that all my guests will have.